Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English Hub. Hope you all are fine. Friends, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel and please keep sharing my videos. This video is about 6th class English. In our previous videos, we have already learnt first unit. In this video, we are going to start second unit reading A. Telangana, the pride of the people. This unit is about the Telangana. Are you all ready, friends? Here we can see second unit Telangana, the pride of the people is the title of the second unit. This unit is about the main festivals celebrated in Telangana and also several places of attraction. And we will come to know many more things about Telangana. Are you all excited, friends? Okay then, let's learn something new about this newly formed state, Telangana. Are you all ready, friends? Let's get started. Here we can see, look at the following and discuss the questions that follow. Here we can see 3 pictures. And here 2 questions are given. Let us see those questions. First question is, what do you know about the monuments and the dance shown in these pictures? See here friends, here we can see 2 monuments and 1 dance form. The first monument is of Charminar. It is the most popular landmark in Hyderabad. It is a magnificent historical monument which has 4 minars. It was built more than 400 years ago and its height is of 180 feet. Okay friends, and there are bazaars around the Charminar and it was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah as a symbol of good fortune. Okay friends, is that clear? Now let us move on to the second picture. The second picture shows Lambadi dance, or we can also call as Banjara dance of our Telangana state. It is a folk dance. It is a dance in which the tribal women dance in harmony to the tunes of drums played by the tribal males. This dance is to offer respect to their god. In this picture, we can see that the women are dressed up in colorful costumes and beautiful jewelry. Is that clear, friends? Now, let us move on to the third picture. The third picture shows the eastern Toranam of Swayambhu Temple of Warangal Fort. We can see lotus buds and birds in the decorations of this monument. I hope you are clear about all these 3 pictures. The first picture is of Charminar, which is in Hyderabad, and second picture is of Banjara dance, or we can also call as Lambadi dance, and the third picture is of Warangal Fort. Is that clear, friends? Now let us move on to the second question. What cultural importance do these monuments and dance have for us today? For this question, we can write the answer as these monuments and dance shows the culture and heritage of Telangana. We need to preserve them. Okay friends, now here we can see the oral discourse. Select any one of the above pictures and talk about it. We have already discussed, friends, all the 3 pictures we have discussed. The same information you can write over here. Now let's move on to the lesson. A, reading. Hari was sitting in the armchair and was reading the newspaper. Kiran, his son, observed the emotions appearing on his father's face. So here the scene is Hari, father, head of the family. He is sitting in the armchair and reading the newspaper. Kiran, the son of Hari, observed the emotions appearing on his father's face. Dad, what is special in the news? Why are you so emotional? Kiran asked. After looking at his father's face, Kiran asked his father, Dad, what is the special thing given in this newspaper? Why are you looking so emotional? Then his father replied, today is the red letter day for us. Here, red letter day means a very important day. His father is telling to his son that today is a very important day for us. The union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of the country. When his son asked his father that what is so important in today's newspaper, then his father replied that today union government has declared Telangana as a separate state, as a new state, 29th state of the country. It took years for the government to take this decision. He is also telling that it took so many years for the government to take this decision. Which decision? To separate Telangana. Many people sacrificed their lives for our state. We need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for separate Telangana state. Now we have our own state with our own culture, Hari said. Here we can see that father is explaining everything to his son that today is the very important day because today the union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of the country, as it took many years for the government to take this decision, and for this separate Telangana many people sacrificed their lives, and we need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives, who died for the separate Telangana. Now we have our own state with our own culture, own festivals. Is that clear, friends? Okay. Dad, please tell me more about it, Kiran requested eagerly. When his son heard all these things, that many people sacrifice their lives and we need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives, many people fought for separate Telangana, all these things created an interest in Kiran, and he requested his father to tell more about the Telangana. Here eagerly means a strong desire to know more about something. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. I hope it's clear. Dear child, the long-lasting dream of our people has become true. The birth of our state has made our vision real. Now there are more chances for employment and inclusive development. Moreover, we can revive our culture. We can revive our language, Hari said. When his son asked him more details about all these things, then his father started telling that it was a dream of the people to get separate Telangana. And today the dream has been come true. The birth of our state has made our vision real. And now we have more chances for getting employment and also the inclusive development of the state. And we can revive our culture and our Telangana language. Next, Dad, is our language different? Kiran asked. When he heard his father telling that we can revive our culture and our language, then this Kiran asked his father that, Dad, is our language different? Let's move on to the next paragraph now. Not exactly, said Hari. It is a variant of Telugu, a dialect. Here his father is telling that not exactly, but a dialect. Dialect means here a form of language. Telangana has a different form of language. But it has not been given the status of a language and was humiliated on many occasions. Here his father is telling that this language, which language? Telangana language has been humiliated. Humiliated means to lower the position, to make someone feel ashamed or embarrassed. Even our festivals are not given much importance. Here father is telling to his son that our Telangana festivals are not even given much importance. Indeed, our Telangana language is part of our culture, Hari explained. Even though our Telangana language is a part of our Telangana culture, Hari explained to his son Kiran. Is that clear, friends? What are the special festivals of our state, Dad? Kiran asked. Here Kiran is asking to his father that What are the special festivals celebrated in Telangana? We celebrate the main festivals as well as the regional festivals. Here father is explaining to his son that we celebrate main festivals and also the regional festivals. Regional festival means festivals relating to a particular region. Festivals like Bonalu, Batkamma and Pirla Panduga reflect our life, said Hari. What are the festivals? Festivals like Bonalu, Batkamma and Pirla Panduga shows the way of living in Telangana culture. Meanwhile, Hari saw Lakshmi coming. Here comes the third character, Lakshmi. Who is Lakshmi? Let us see now. Now it's your mother's turn. She will let you know about our festivals, Hari said. Hari is telling to his son Kiran that now it's your mother's turn. She will let you know about the festivals which are celebrated in Telangana state. We celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. Here, Mother Lakshmi is telling to his son that we celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. Fervor means here a strong feeling of enthusiasm. Bonalu, our state festival, is celebrated during Ashadam as thanksgiving to the goddesses Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes. She is telling that Bonalu is a Telangana state festival and it is celebrated during Ashadam as thanksgiving to the goddesses Mahankali. For what? For fulfilling our wishes. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a ghatam, the decorated pot, and carry the pot in a procession singing songs. She is also telling that we cook. What do we cook? We cook rice with milk and jaggery and we put it in a ghatam. Ghatam means the decorated pot and they carry that decorated pot in a procession singing songs. Procession means here a group of people moving. The feast culminates as the ghatams are offered to the local goddesses, said Lakshmi. Here feast means here public celebration. Indu, here comes the fourth character. Kiran's sister. Who is Indu here? Indu is Kiran's sister. Indu, Kiran's sister, joined them and said, yes, last Tuesday we saw the Jubilant procession. Here Indu is telling that she saw, what did she saw? She saw the Jubilant procession of Bonalu festival last Tuesday. Indu asked, Mum, what about Batkamma? Here Indu. Who is Indu? Indu is the sister of Kiran. She wants to know about Batkamma. So she is asking her mother Lakshmi to tell about the details of Batkamma festival. Now let us come to know about Batkamma festival. Batkamma festival is celebrated as part of Dussehra. Here we can see that Batkamma is the festival celebrated as a part of Dussehra. The festival has historical and religious significance. Significance means importance. This festival Batkamma has its own importance. Women carry Batkamma beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu and Chamanti flowers to the meeting points. Here what do the women do? They select a place and all the women come to that particular place with their Batkammas which are beautifully stacked with different types of flowers. They come to their meeting points and they make circles. Here we can see making circles around Batkamma. Women folk sing. Here what do the women do? They make circles and sing folk songs. Songs related to our culture. Later, the Batkammas are taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Lakshmi explained. Here, Lakshmi is explaining everything about Batkamma festival. That we prepare different types of Batkammas with all the different types of flowers. And we take those Batkammas to the special points and play Batkamma by making circles and singing folk songs. And then all these Batkammas are taken to the local tanks and are immersed. What is Muharram? Kiran asked. What is Muharram? Muharram is celebrated in many parts of our state. It is a symbol of religious tolerance. Here, Muharram is celebrated in many of the parts of the Telangana state as it is the symbol of religious tolerance. Religious tolerance means accepting the feelings of all religion. During this, the Pirlu are kept in village points. Here, on some particular village points, these Pirlu are kept. The Pirlu are immersed in the local lakes and tanks. Indeed, our festivals and art forms symbolize our culture. They are reflected in our lifestyle, said Hari. Hari is telling that these Pirla Panduga and different art forms symbolize our culture. They shows the lifestyle of people living in the Telangana state. I hope it is clear. Friends, if you have any queries, please comment me in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. Our saris are famous worldwide, said Lakshmi. Lakshmi is telling that our saris are famous. The saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. Because of the attractive patterns made on the saris, these saris are famous. Our weavers of Sircilla produce saris that fit in a matchbox. So friends, what is the speciality of the weavers of Sircilla? That they produce the saris that fit in a matchbox. Weavers means who makes cloth. The wooden toys of Nirmal steal the hearts of everyone. So here the wooden toys of Nirmal are very beautiful. All this make our state great, said Indu. What all this? The famous saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal, Narayanpet and also the weavers of Sircilla who produce small saris that can fit in a matchbox. All these things make our Telangana state a great state. Besides, we have Jataras. The Sammakka and Saralamma Jatara of Medaram, Warangal is one of the biggest gatherings in the world. Here we have Jataras, famous Jataras, Sammakka and Saralamma Jatara of Medaram, which is in Warangal district. It is one of the biggest Jataras in the world. Lakhs of people take part in it. Lakhs of people come to this Jatara. Moreover, there are several places of attraction in our state. There are many places of attraction in our Telangana state. Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Sagar, Yadadri, Vemulavada, Alampur, Srirangapuram and Bhadrachalam are some of them, said Hari. Hari is telling that all these places are famous places of attraction in our Telangana state. We went on a tour to Nagarjuna Sagar last year. We visited the museum there. It has a huge collection of antiques, said Indu. See here friends, Indu is recollecting her memories that they visited on a tour to Nagarjuna Sagar. They have visited a museum there which has a huge collection of antiques. And the Salajang Museum of Hyderabad is one of the 3 national museums which has antiques and portraits collected by a single person, Kiran added. So Kiran is adding to whom? Adding to the Indu that Salajang Museum is also one of the best museum. It is one of the 3 national museums which has antiques and portraits which are collected by a single person. We visited the Golconda Fort last Sunday. There we saw the place where Bhakta Ramadasu was imprisoned, Indu added. So one by one they are recollecting their memories. They are telling that they have visited the Golconda Fort last Sunday. And they have also seen the place where Bhakta Ramadasu was imprisoned. Not only that, our great poets contributed to our rich culture. Not only all these famous places, but we have famous great poets from our Telangana state. Like Bammera Pottana's Bhagavatam is known for its literary fragrance. Kancharla Kopanna, known as Bhakta Ramadasu, made our literature great with his Kirtanas. Malinganti Suri, Kaloji Narayan Rao, Dasharati Rangacharyalu, and Dasharati Krishnamacharyalu are the jewels of Telangana, said Lakshmi. All these famous poets are from Telangana. All these famous poets make our Telangana state a great one. Isn't it, friends? Oggu Katha is a very popular folklore singing, praising and narrating the stories of Mallanna, Birappa and Ellamma. In this Oggu Katha, we narrate the stories of Mallanna, Birappa and Ellamma. The narrator and the chorus, two narrators dramatize and transform themselves into the characters. Perini Shivatandavam is a dance form originated in Telangana. See here, friends, which dance form has been originated in Telangana? Perini Shivatandavam. It has historical prominence. Prominence means importance. This dance form has historical importance. During the dynasty of the Kakatiyas, the soldiers performed this dance as an invocation and dedicated it to Lord Shiva. Invocation means here prayer. The soldiers of the Kakatiyas dynasty, they performed this dance and offered as a prayer to Lord Shiva. This dance form was revived by Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna. So this dance form has been revived by Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna. Hari said, "It is high time for us to remember our great personalities who dedicated their life for Telangana." So this is a high time. Now, at least now we have to remember the great personalities who dedicated their life for the Telangana state. The temples, the antiques, the art forms, the literature and our language contribute to our culture and heritage. We need to preserve them. I hope our government will also take necessary steps in this regard, said Hari. Hari is telling that our temples, antiques, art forms, literature and our language should be preserved. Okay, friends, and we all hope that our government should take necessary steps in this regard. Who is telling this? Hari is telling this. Isn't it, friends? The government should give equal importance to all the festivals which are a part of our culture. Government has to look after the monuments not to be damaged. It has to give a helping hand to small scale industries like textiles and Nirmal toys so that they can revive their art, which are also a part of our culture and heritage. Isn't it, friends? We have to preserve our antiques, we have to preserve our monuments, we have to preserve our culture, heritage, and also we have to preserve our language. Now let us move on to the synonyms of the difficult words given in the lesson. Glossary: emotion, excitement, red letter day, a very important day, dialect, a form of language, fervor, a strong feeling of enthusiasm, feat, public celebration. Culminate, reach the end of something, significance, importance, religious tolerance, accepting the feelings of all religions, immerse, to put into water, weaver, one who makes cloth, antiques, things that are old and valuable, revive, to make active again, preserve, to keep in good condition. Dedicate, to devote, pattern, an arrangement of a design, portrait, a painting, invocation, prayer, prominence, importance. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the statements. First one is, Bonalu is celebrated as part of Dasara. It is a false statement. Then the correct statement is, Bathukamma is celebrated as a part of Dasara. So first answer is false. Second one, the ghatams are immersed in the local tanks and ponds. It is a false statement. The correct one is, the Bathukammas are immersed in the local tanks and ponds. So the second answer is false. Third one, Sircilla weavers produce excellent saris with attractive patterns. This statement is a false statement. The correct is Sircilla weavers produce saris that fit in a matchbox. Fourth one, Pirla Pandaga is a symbol of religious tolerance. Yes, this statement is true. So the answer is true. We can see a large number of antiques in the Salarjung Museum. Yes, this statement is true. Clear friends? Have you understood? Now let's move on to the next bit. Complete the following passage using the adjectives given in the box. Squirrels are dash animals and so everyone likes them. Here the first adjective used here is attractive. Squirrels are attractive animals and so everyone likes them. They are found in dash colors. Here the word different is used. They are found in different colors. They are dash but can move very fast. They are small but can move very fast. They eat nuts, fruits and sometimes insects. They are dash because they can only jump short distances. They are flightless. Most of the squirrels live in tree holes. They even store their food there. Clear friends? Have you understood? The first blank we have to write attractive, second is different, third blank is small and fourth is flightless. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel which is Smart English Hub. Now, quickly let's move on to the next bit. Editing. Next bit is editing. Read the following passage. There is an error in each sentence. Identify and edit it. Understood friends? What we have to do? We have to read this whole passage and identify the errors and correct it. Clear friends? Now let's read the passage. Lakshmi was reading a storybook sitting off a train. It were very interesting. The story was about an wise man. Just then an old man came there. He was not able to carry his luggages. He asking Lakshmi's father, "Can you please help me?" He helped the old man. Clear friends? Now let us identify the errors. In the first sentence, Lakshmi was reading a storybook sitting off a train. Here off is the error. Instead of off, we have to write in a train. Lakshmi was reading a storybook sitting in a train. It were very interesting. Here were is the error. We have to write was. It was very interesting. Next sentence. The story was about an wise man. Here an is the error. Here we have to write a wise man. The story was about a wise man. Next. Just then an old man came there. Okay friends, here we have to remove just. Only then an old man came there. He was not able to carry his luggages. Here luggage is correct, not luggages. Clear friends? He asking Lakshmi's father. Not asking, he asked Lakshmi's father. A-S-K-E-D. Asked is the correct word. Can you please help me? He helped the old man. Here in the place of he, we have to write Lakshmi's father helped the old man. I hope you have understood. Please note it down. And if you have any doubts, please comment me. Next grammar bit is study skills. Okay friends, study the following results. Here we can see the results in a tabular form friends. This is a notice board. Zilla Parshad ZP High School, Jilelaguda, Rangareddy District. Percentage of marks of students in SSC examination in 2011. Read this table carefully friends. Now let us answer the questions given under this table. First question is, name the topper. Shweta is the topper with 86% of marks. Second question, Which two students scored equal percentage of marks? Mamta and Shruti Geeta scored equal percentage of marks, that is 68 percentage of marks. Third question, who got the lowest percentage of marks? Manjula and Bhanu Prasad got the lowest percentage of marks. Fourth question, how many have scored above 80 percentage of marks? 4 persons have scored above 80 percentage of marks. Fifth question, comment on the overall performance of the students. All the students got above 60%. Who performed better, boys or girls? Support your answer. Here we can say that boys performed better because the average marks of boys are more than that of the girls. Friends, I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel, which is Smart English Hub. You can also follow me on different social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Please follow me, friends. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. See you in the next video. Till then, please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel and please keep smiling. Bye bye.